Today is Sunday, March 23rd, and today I just have a small one, but I feel like almost every Sunday I'm kind of thinking about this, and it's just to take it one day at a time, right? Take it one day at a time and reset when you need to. I feel like Sundays, like weekends, are just the perfect time to just reset your week, figure out, okay, what have I done this past week? What do I need to do this upcoming week? And just like try to reset your mindset, try to reset your intentions, just reset, right? And then as you go into the new week, like just take it one day at a time. I've just found that like taking Sundays to reset, right? So on Sundays I go to church, and I feel like that's a great place for me to just reset my mindset and make sure I'm focused on what I need to focus on. And actually I'm not just going through the motions, right? So weekly reviews are really helpful to figure out what have you done and what are you going to do in the upcoming week. But even if you don't do a weekly review, just like make the intention to just reset your mind and just make sure you're focusing on the right things. Plan your upcoming week. And yeah, I feel like I don't really know how to explain how I reset, but I just feel like every Sunday I just make it an intention to just like today I was just thinking like reset, right? Reset your mindset. Am I focusing, like especially like Sunday sermons really helps me to focus on what I like, make sure I'm actually focusing on what's important, right? So like depending on what the sermon was about, like, and you can think about like, okay, am I going off track, right? Am I going away from the pathway, right? You want to just reset, readjust, realign yourself so that you are on the path that you should be on. And then as you go into the next week, just like take it one day at a time. Take it one day at a time. Don't be so worried about the past and don't be so worried about the future. Just focus on what you can do right now, controlling what you can control and taking it one day at a time. A lot of times, a lot of progress will not happen. A lot of progress just happens by doing what you need to do right now, repeatedly, right? So in order to do that, you need to just focus on right now. You need to focus on this day. And that's hard. And a lot of times the day will just go by without me realizing it. And then I'm realizing like I was not intentional. I was not intentional with my day. But then I can just think, okay, tomorrow's a new day. And we can try to get back up and just go through another day and try to be more intentional and do what we're supposed to do, right? So that's kind of what I've been thinking about today, just trying to reset, trying to take it one day at a time and not get so caught up in the future, especially. That's been a struggle for me, just worried about the future. So just being present, doing what you need to do, working on what you need to work on. Being present is just a more general learning that I have been learning recently, and praying a lot about like trying to take it one day at a time and trying to be strong and trying to be effective and intentional with each day. That's kind of what I've been thinking about today. So I guess your action point, or like my main message, is to just take it one day at a time, reset on the weekends, reset when you need to, honestly reset during the week, right? A lot of times, like if I just let a day go by, then I can reset at the end of that day. Just think tomorrow's a new day, right? Honestly, just reset at the end of each day. Every day is a new day. That's what I'm trying to say. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new opportunity to do what you should do what you need to do. And I'm not saying you should procrastinate at all till tomorrow, right? Do what you need to do in the present. But each day is a new day. If you had a bad day, just try to make tomorrow a little bit better, right? Try to just do the right things each new day. And obviously that's easier said than done. But I think it's a good reminder to just remember that each day is a new day and each day is a new opportunity to do what you should be doing. So, yeah, that's what I've been learning today. If you found this video helpful at all, then I would love a like and a comment. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe, because I'm posting every single day talking about what I've been learning, what I learned that day, and just a little bit about that and how I'm trying to apply that. So if you want to see that, then definitely subscribe. This is the video that I posted yesterday where I talked about kind of like misinformation kind of thing, just trying to be logical and trying to think about those kinds of things rightly. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.